Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list, in the settings on the left, we have to scroll and find the section with apps. Let's tap. Then let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset App Preferences. So here your device is informing about what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.